what's up, what's good, what's poppin', you guys? Welcome to My Life TV with your girl Tasha. It's first thing in the morning on this Saturday morning, so do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Do me a favor, turn on your post notifications and all of that good stuff. How y'all doing on this fantabulous Saturday? So I have made some more bacon so that my baby can try the bacon and donut thing. I saved him some so he could try it too. Didn't make it too crispy. I could let that piece go longer, but I'll eat it. I like my bacon fries light. Okay, and here's the donut. And then when he gets up, I will make him a donut and a bacon thingy sandwich. Let me show you, water and Fabuloso. But the Fabuloso that I'm using is a lemon one. So I melt, so it smells my house greatly. Here's my coffee. You know. Let's get this mental morning started. What's up, everybody? On this Saturday, I have done absolutely nothing. I've been sitting, watching TV. It's absolutely nothing. What's up, Pookies? How y'all doing? I know I look hella rough. Like I told y'all earlier, I've been in the house all day, but at least I do have on an earring. But y'all, I just wanted to talk to like the moms out here. Like, oh baby, that sounded bright. I just want to talk to like the mothers out here who typically give themselves a hard time about, you know, not being a perfect mom. Like, it's hard sometimes. Like, a mother's feelings, I don't know how it is for a father, so I'm just gonna say a mother's feelings. Like, we care so much about our children that our feelings be getting hurt sometimes. And you just gotta swallow that pill and go on, especially when your children come into their personality. Like, sometimes when they get older, you start not feeling needed, or like they just start saying things that you just be like, dang, you know what I'm saying? But sometimes you can ask questions and it just seems like you getting on their nerves, or dang. And the more that I see that my kids do that to me, I'm thinking, y'all, I'm trying to make myself presentable. I be thinking to myself, like, dang, am I or was I like that to my mom? Or I don't like it. Hold up, because they know me. Let me let all these tall cars go by. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like how it makes me feel. And I don't like how it makes me feel. And I know I look rough because I just had to run my son across town and come right back to the house. But, yeah, y'all, I don't like it. And it doesn't make you feel good. Like, you can try everything, you know, oh, let me go around it, let me try this way, because you want to understand that each one of your children have their own personalities, you feel me? So you want to, you know, be able, you cannot relate to one child the same way as you can relate to another one. No, you have to treat each child as individuals. And with me being the mom of 4, y'all, sometimes my feelings be getting hurt. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but I know it's not. It's a mom thing. It might be a dad thing. I don't know if fathers feel the same way that we do. I just know that I as a mom, that's how I feel. And that's just the feeling that I had right as I picked up this video. Or else I wouldn't be on here. I said I was going to stop coming on here looking crazy. I said I was going to stop coming outside looking crazy. I said that, but like, I need to color my hair. Really, that edge cream took a lot, but it grew so much. But I was just wondering, y'all, like, how does it make y'all feel when you talk to your children and they're short? I really am going to check myself on that with my parents and with my grandparents. I don't know if I do it, but I'm going to check myself and make sure I extra don't do it. Because now I have been paying attention, and I know that that's something that I don't like. It hurts my feelings sometimes, like, and then you try to appease them or something like that, you know, and then it's just like they still just be like in a funk, or they just be like ill. And so the only thing that you can do is just be like, okay, I'm gonna leave you alone so that you can, you know what I'm saying? I think the I'm gonna leave you alone concept, it works, but it still stays on your mind a little bit. You have to give people space. I get it. Now my youngest is 17, and I'm just like, yo, what's next? My grandbaby and my grandchildren have their own personalities. Even my grandchildren have their own little personalities, child. I'm like, I don't know. We're going to do a reset, y'all. Probably tomorrow, because I'm not going nowhere today. If I come back out, I'm going to Mods. And I'm really trying not to go to Mods. But if I get hungry, I'm coming to Mods. I did make those lamb chops, though. So I'm about to mother them up. I'm about to eat them for now. Some mashed potatoes and make me something green on the side. Get on my couch. I'm watching this series called, I'm going to let y'all know what I'm watching. It's a Netflix series, a good watch. And this is a series. You know we love us a good series, Pooh. All right, mashed potatoes, corn, my lamb chops that I already took a bite off of. But the series that I told y'all I was watching is called, on Netflix, and it's called A Nearly Normal Family. Alright, y'all, I hope y'all can see me. I'm about to sit here, watch a movie, and do my hair. I have my setup. I have my gloves. I have my collarbone. I have my mirror. I'm about to find me another movie to watch. So by the time y'all see me again, your girl will be bright red. Sorry, so dog. I'm going to get it as far as I can when I edit. Alright, y'all.
Donna is the representative of the Association of Women Horticulturists.
Shea butter. You want to put your shea butter and your oil on while your hair is wet and then dry it, okay? You don't put your seasoning on your chicken after you fry it. You put it on before, right? Okay. What's up, what's goody, y'all? Look who came and woke me up. Stop putting your face on my bed. Hey, Stain. What's up, what's goody, what's poppin', you guys? Welcome to My Life TV with your girl, Tasha. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel. Come here, Pooh. Turn on all your post notifications so that you do not miss another video. Say good morning, Zeusy. Look at him. Look, Pooh. Morning. Hey, family. I have arisen. Thank you, Lord, for waking me up another day, giving me another chance here on this earth to make you proud. So, y'all, today is going to be Makeover Sunday. You see, we colored this hair last night. These eyebrows, I did them a little bit. But, I'm about to hit the flow. Grand Rising. Let's open the house, y'all. How y'all doing on this fantabulous Sunday morning? God did it again. Y'all, I wonder if they have already started. She found out her husband likes men, has HIV, herpes, syphilis, and is still sleeping with. Dang, girl. Trying to find something to throw on while I complete this here morning clean up. They got Baddies Resort for boys. 3 a.m. girls. What is that about? That must be some prostitution or something they have on here. About time, J-Lo. Don't nobody like you, J-Lo.
On my marriage and marriage.
She should have, huh? Catch her tail up. Ooh, Chance the Rapper done twerked online and his wife left.
Y'all know I never liked to go.
You know what? The Real Side Chicks of Atlanta, episode 7.
I wish I could have go back to farmer's dog a lot sooner. Are you serious? Find something here. You found something.
I just knew in that moment, like, you know what, I'm gonna do this. And I found you guys. And then she's been so done dinner time and breakfast time ever since.
It took me hesitate, and honestly, I wish I found it sooner than I did.
Oh, okay, y'all. So I've done all my morning duties. House clean. I'm sitting here now. I'm about to have my coffee. I do need to take something out to eat for dinner. I should have did that yesterday, y'all. But I didn't. So this is garbage. I don't even know why they played with that like that. So got more turkey burgers, except for today we're having the actual burgers. My eyebrows look so drawn on, but they're colored. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna eat that. I'm just gonna eat turkey burgers today. I'm gonna go buy some lettuce, tomatoes, and stuff, and that's gonna be my dinner for today. Okay, y'all, I still have not gotten my nails done yet, so I am not gonna show them. This is my arts and craft table as well, so do not come for me. I have my tablet. I am going to be writing down some notes. I have my pen. I am watching my favorite YouTuber in the makeup. No, not even the makeup realm, but in the, hold on. Not the makeup realm, but the, skincare. I'm about to watch her do this, see how it comes out. I'm going to test it out for a week. And then, new product alert. New product. I'm excited. Do your own research, Pookie. Make your own money. And this is simple. She's using 2 ingredients right here, right now. And I'm going to find out what they are. Ooh, and she has 399 views. Let me go up here and thumbs up the video. Let me see if I make it. So I could be the 400th person. Dang, I'm already viewing it. My viewer is not going to count. I love tripping people's numbers, y'all. If I can trip your number, like I said, let me come back on here when I look a little bit better, honey, because somebody will hold this against me. But guess what? I would not care. I just jumped up and sprung into action. I'm going outside. I'm going outside. I am going outside. It's a little bit. I want to go get the ingredients to make. And I think they have it at the Dollar Tree. So yeah, we're definitely going outside. I'll be back. Hurt you in the chest. I look at my watch and stop. Oh, baby, just relax and ride. What y'all know about this? Loving you. I will do it all again. Genuine, seraphim, sweet again. Oh. Makeup time. This is to all my married fans. Especially if you was in your 20s and the 90s. Yeah. Here we go, y'all. So it's hard for me. Hey, who you telling? I really tried. I don't. Hey. Good to those who are good. Don't judge me or think I'm bitter, for the evil gods allow me to see. wish that they could see that I'm just plain old Tasha, yeah. Nope, don't mean nothing to me. Okay. Did you love the person inside? But I can't give you nothing but me all day and all night. I'm just plain old Tasha, Tasha, Tasha. Alexa, play My Life by Mary J. Blige.
Here's My Life by Mary J. Blige.
This is my anthem, and this is what my channel is called, My Life. Listen to this song, y'all. I'm gonna play snippets of it. You see what life can be. Feeling down, using it. I might risk a copyright on this one. Sing with song. That all the negative energy, and you'll be at peace with yourself. Yeah. Take your time. I think. And if you don't, give me peace of mind. For real. Indeed. Oh, I know that things will turn out fine. Now, by After 7.
Here's Bittersweet by After 7 on Amazon.
Now this is my jam. It's funny how you fall so fast, but you with the action. Got to feel. Alexa, play Fly Away by Lenny Kravitz. Alexa, play Fly Away by Lenny Kravitz.
Here's Fly Away.
I wanna fly. Life's pretty sweet. in the door for you. Give me the life. Hustling by Rick Ross. Another one of my jams, y'all. All right, y'all. So your girl is getting ready to get outside for a little bit. Getting outside. For a little while. Crime protection makes you a little, crime investigation. Which kid you gotta find the dumbass. Alright, y'all. We outside. Let me let Zeus in. He looking like, girl, are you gonna forget me? And Vaseline your lips. I told you if you went out there, you was gonna be out there for a while. Nobody's home. But you now. Glasses? No glasses. We're gonna go with glasses today. Let me let y'all see. This is the outfit of the day, the OOTD Pookie. I just have on a regular long john shirt that I rolled up, tied in a knot, put the knot under in the back, and then I have on just Old Faithful yellow tights, Old Faithful sneakers, Felines, Old Sapphires, just regular. And the bag of choice came from the thrift store. It is by no one. Let me see. Yeah, it didn't have a name in this bag, but this is the detail. All the colors. I don't know what's on my TV, but yeah. I don't know if I was feeling with the glasses. With the glasses.
You are not my husband.
Without.
You are a liar. Respect.
We're gonna go without. I don't know. I'm gonna wear them when I'm gonna take them off. I'm gonna take them off. All right, y'all. So we are in Legado. We're in the car. I don't know which way to go with my Ray-Bans or without my Ray-Bans. I think we're gonna go with just for today. It makes me look a little classy, sporty. Damn. All right, y'all. Let's go. I'm hungry. I really would like to go and get me a shake, but don't know how that's gonna work out. First of all, let me put some lotion on these hands. This lotion right here, my client gave me, and it is Japanese cherry blossom. Y'all, holding out on these nails, but I'm really thinking that when I do my nails, I'm gonna go get me some press-ons. We can maybe be press-on girl season. How about that? Save our money. Spend our monies on something else. Pedicures. How about that? We'll see. Alright, poops. Let's get ready to get in these streets. Let me see where I'm gonna go first. Y'all, what do we want to eat today?
Yo. Non-stop hits.
All the music I love.
Back to back. Fayetteville station for throwback hip-hop and R&B. The all-new 107.7 The Bounce.
Be a boy, you gon' work some black, my stomach dirt, so I'm looking for a person to snitch. The cops give a damn about a Negro. When the cops kill each other, it's time to fight back, that's what Huey said. 2 shots in the dark, now Huey said. I got love for my brother, we gotta stop making changes. Learn the city as a brother instead of 2 distant strangers. And that's how it's supposed to be.
Your girl is back home. I'm about to do 2 braids on a client real quick. Like, I'm gonna show y'all just a little snippet of it. But how has your Sunday been? My Sunday was great. I just watched South Carolina girls beat Iowa. Good game it was. Y'all, I learned how to do my highlighter. I think it's all inside of here. And then they put the dark, and then they put, but I don't wear all that blush and stuff. That's not for me. This is me today. Just nothing special. Hold on.
But you're not a detective, Ben. You're barely even a probationary officer, and after this mess, you're about an inch from being fired.
Okay, listen, sir, you can't teach what I have. I'm like a cat. I'm like half cop, half puma, but I'm all detective. Like, I'll get in your ass.
You know what? The psych department wants me to take less responsibility. So, James, Mr. Barbie.
All right, y'all. So I finished my client. I'm gonna have to ask her mom to send me the picture because, baby, I totally forgot they was late and they had to pay my late fee, girl. I don't be doing that. Pay me my late fee. So I want some turkey burgers. I am going to Food Lion right now to pick up a tomato and some lettuce. I should do the to pick up some tomatoes and some lettuce. I really should do the turkey burgers and gravy again. That stuff is smackalicious. But I'm gonna do the turkey burger. I'm gonna go get another. I should go get another pack. But I got some chicken too, so I'm just gonna get some burger buns, tomatoes, and lettuce and drink, and I'm gonna be up out of here. What's up, cookies? So we are back in the house. I just ran to the grocery store real quick. Got some cranberry juice, potatoes, green peppers, tomatoes, spinach for my burgers I'm about to make for me and TT, and get ready for this work week. I'm trying to decide if I want to do something tomorrow or if I just really want to just go and do. I think I'm going to spend most of my day. No, I should. I could. I'm gonna marinate on it for the rest of the night first. Make a small thing of potato. So how was y'all Sunday? What did y'all do today? How was your family day? What did y'all cook? Did y'all cook something interesting? Something I ain't had in a while? Shoot, I need to get my eat on. I'm just making a couple of potatoes. Watching Eli E5, my favorite YouTuber, as I have told y'all before. Yeah, I watched South Carolina girls whoop up on Iowa. Everybody thought Iowa was gonna get it. Psh. Black girl power. My girls was balling. Caruso made history. Go ahead, girls. I was cheering for them. So shout out to South Carolina. I can't wait for Peyton to make a video, y'all. Y'all ever find yourself waiting for somebody other than me to make a video? Alright, I'm gonna finish this. If you buy toaster strudel, who else eats their toaster strudel like it's an apple pie? I do.